Violet. Next game, after gray and purple, is red and black. Start of the ball game, violet ball. Paul clears the ball to Kuya Joe passes to Paul, passes to Lopez, takes a 3 also, ties the ball game 2-2. TP again passes to Zed. Zed doesn't make a teardrop. Kuya Jigs with a reverse layup, good. Paul passes to Kuya Joe, maghanap na nakape. Paul takes it, passes again to Kuya Joe. Ties the ball game. Jigs clears the ball. What a pass to Jigs! Lopez clears the ball for the green team. Passes to Kuya Joe. Now Tira. Shoot na naman. Kuha. Jigs clears the ball. Keeping. What a side step, what a block by Paul, what a block again by Paul! Grabe. Purple ball, 2 seconds, shot clock. Tira, second. Good ball. Kuya Joe with the rebound, clears the ball to Paul. Paul makes a move, passes to Lopez, makes a 3-pointer. Loses his dribble. Shot clock violation. Shot clock. Purple ball. 4-0. Jigs looks for a teammate. Passing to GP. Sizing up with a Joe. Moving move from Serasa. Lopez for 3, no good. Rebound by Jigs. Clears the ball for the Violet team. Kickball violation for Brazan. Zed Pignon passes to Boone Seraspi. Crossover. What a good defense by Brazan. 2. Zed with a jump shot. No good. Paul with the rebound. Lopez for 3. No good again. Jigs passing to Seraspi for 3. Bang, bang. Violet team is now up by 3 points, 7-4. Kuya Joe takes the jumper for the great team. Zed clears the ball. What a move, what a pass by What a block again by Paul. 3 blocks again for Paul Brazan. Kuya Jigs nag-drive. What a layup by Kuya Jigs. Purple is now up by 3 points again. Kuya Joe, pinasa kay Lopez. Kuya Joe, sumisikip yung green. 2, 1. Airball. Shot clock violation for green. Good ball. Mignon dribbles the ball for the Violet team. They are now up by 3 points. Seraspi makes a move. What a move by Seraspi. Brazan clears the ball to Lopez. Lopez doesn't make a jumper. Seraspi clears the ball. They're up by 4. Kuya Jigs pinasa kay Mignon. What a move by Zed. Nice move, Zed. Gray is now up by 5 points. Lopez passes to Banay for 3. No good. Great ball. Running back yan ha. Lopez. Passes to Banal. Banal looking for Paul. Paul sides up Zeraski. Rebound by Bridges. Bridges, nasa kay Zeraski, takes, doesn't take it. Take the three-pointer, wala. Rebound to Bridges, wala ulit. Rebound by Zed, wala. Substitution. Post up, pass up, post up. Score is 10-5 in favor of Violet. Zeraski for three, he doesn't. Tito Paul clears the ball. Pinasa kay Banal. Takes the shot, pero wala. Rebound ulit ni Chibi. Pinasa kay James. Blocked by Paul again. Blocked by Paul again. Kuya Jong, pinasa kay Tito Paul. Tito Paul takes the three-pointer. Kuya Jong takes the jumper. Good. 6-10. Purple is still up by 4. Last 5 minutes in the game. Rebound kay Tito Paul. Passes to Kuya Jong. Steal by Boston. Steal ni Paul. Ball game is down to 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Tito Paul takes the 3 points. Makes it! Ties the ball game to 10. Boston takes the 1-pointer. Wala. Rebound ni Paul. Paul clears the ball for the green team. Paul nag-drive. Takes the jumper. Wala. Rebound ulit ni Paul. Green team is now up by 1 point. 11-10. Zeraski clears the ball for the purple team. Chibi sizes up, passes to Boston. Shot block by 4 minutes. Wala. Rebound ulit ni Paul. Green team is now up by 2 points. Zeraski for 3. Wala. Rebound ulit ni Tito Paul. Tito Paul clears the ball. Passes to Kuya Jong. Wala. Rebound ni Paul na naman. Passes to Banal for makes the jump. Last 3 minutes and 20 seconds in the ball game. Cross dog for 3. Wala. Zeraski rebound, teardrop. Wala ulit. Rebound. Wala. Paul passes to Lopez. Lopez looks to make the 3. Nice pass to Tito Paul. Fade away. Wala. Rebound Tito Paul ulit. Tito Paul, drop pass to Paul. Wala. Lopez looks to make the 3. There's not. Gets a good shot. What a layup! The Berlin team is now up by 4 points. 14-10. Goes down. Nag-dribble. Pinasa kay Zeraski for 3. Wala. Rebound na Boston ulit. Pinasa kay Jigs. Jigs, reverse layup. No good. Foul by Mr. Berzan. Pwede bagsak. 2 free throws for Mr. Nepomuceno. Substitution after the free throw. First free throw for Jigs. No good. Substitution. Kuya Jong in. Paul Berzan out. Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds into the ball game. Great team is up by 4 points. Kuya Jigs looks to cut the lead by 3 points. Makes his last free throw. Kuya Jong takes the ball. Passes to the ball. Looks to beat Shot clock, 3, 2. The ball doesn't take it. Good ball. Boss Dog, the rebound. Seraspi for 3. Wala. Rebound to Philippines. With the ball, pinasa, wala. Steal ni Lopez. Lopez. With the ball. Last 2 minutes in the ball game. Na-steal ni Seraspi. Rebound niya. Wala. Good. Rebound ni Lopez with jumper. Wala. Here's the ball. Passes the Boss Dog for 3. Bang! Great Team's lead is down to 1 point. 14 to 13. Na-steal ni Boss Dog. Boss Dog for 3. Wala. Rebound ni Tito Ball. Nagulaan ka doon. Kuya Jom doesn't make it. Jimmy with the rebound. Boss Dog. Drop pass by Jimmy. Tito Ball. Free throw ba? Wala. Wala. 2 free throw. Last 1 minute and 11 seconds in the ball game. Great Team is up by 1 point, 14 to 13. Jimmy looks to tie the ball game, and he does. Substitution, Paul Brazan for 3. Purple Team is now up by 1 point with 1 minute left in the ball game. Kuya Jom looks to make a jumper. Wala. Pinasa kay Paul. Paul with the jumper. What a clutch basket for Paul Brazan. 55 seconds into the ball game. Boss Dog. Pinasa kay Bridget. Pinasa kay GP. Wala. Rebound niya ulit. 3, 2, 1. Good. What a block by Paul Brazan. Great ball. Score is all 15 with 43 seconds left in the ball game. Paul with the reverse layup. No good. Goes right for the rebound. Hindi pa na-clear yung bola. Pinasa kay Jimmy. Traveling. Great ball. 29 seconds left in the ball game. 15, great, Violet. Paul pinasa kay Jom. Jom sizes up for 6. Kuya Jom doesn't click the jumper. Boss Dog. 14 seconds left in the shot clock. Jimmy sizes up Lopez. Jimmy, teardrop, one last shot. 5, 4, 3, 2. What a win for the Purple Team! What a clutch basket